Hello everyone, Natalie here from Serpwizz, and I want to welcome you all back again to our SEMRUSH series. If this is your first time crossing through this channel or these type of videos, then do check our channel because we have been producing videos about reviews and tutorials of different SEO tools in the market. And for this specific series, we are doing SEMRUSH. So just a quick background. This is currently under a free trial account, and I have a tutorial on how to sign up for a free trial account on probably the first two videos on this playlist, and the link is down below in the description box. So yep, we have a free trial account here because we just want to see first what it is or what SEMRUSH is all about, and you pretty much get access to most of their tools even though you're just using that type of account. So so far I did not have any problems going through all of these tools. Of course there are limitations, there are restrictions that comes with it, but nothing that hinders you from trying them all out. So just so we get a feel of them. So for today, we're actually done with all the SEO tools, SEO, local SEO, advertising tools. So we're just gonna go quickly and discuss their social media tools and features. So for today, it's gonna be social media dashboard, and they are mentioning that it is a tool that you can build brand awareness on social media for free. So what we're just going to do today is run through the information available on the SEMRUSH website. So you would be able to get access to this once you sign up for an account, may it be a free trial account or there's a paid or like a premium free trial account as well. And then of course if you sign up for paid subscription. So what does an SE or a social media dashboard does? So it is pretty much, I feel like it's pretty much the same as the projects and SEO dashboard, only it focuses of course in social media. So first you uncover rivals winning strategies. Of course we know how important or how impactful social media is. Nowadays, most businesses are functioning in social media. They're able to reach more audiences, wider audiences at that. So it's just very vital that your social media presence is good and running. So yeah, there's that. You'd be able, of course, you want to be able to have an insight about your competitors, or how your competitors are doing, what are they doing exactly, how are they implementing strategies, their content, the keywords that they use and stuff like that. So you'll be able to formalize a winning strategy if you use the social media dashboard. And then create and distribute content that brings engagement. Of course, with social media, we know how important engagement is as well. It's not us just selling to our customers or the clients. It's our ultimate goal, of course, is to have them engage with us. That will ultimately end up or result in a sale. So of course what we want is to drive engagement, and that is exactly what the social media dashboard will help you with. So another thing is that you can also adjust your strategy to get even better results. This is pretty much self-explanatory. Of course you want tools that help you with your strategy, may it be for SEO, for advertising. And here, example for this one, it's social media. So you want specific and dedicated tools that will help you achieve all of your long-term goals for your business. So You can see here you'd be able to get full analysis of your results and data-driven improvement recommendations. So those will come with different metrics and different graphs, representations, and stuff like that. And here, get results from social media, whatever your role is. So if you're a business owner, a digital marketer, social media manager, digital agency, and influencer. So of course, or I know the people that are watching this will have different roles according to um, what they need to do. So, this tool is very flexible and can help you regardless of the role you're in the company. So there's no doubt that you'd find this tool helpful. You'd find this dashboard helpful for you. So these are just um, some testimonials from clients that have been using SEMRUSH tools, specifically the social media tools that they offer. So let's see now how we can use this tool exactly. Alright, so of course, for the tool to be able to analyze your social media needs, then you would have to connect your social media platforms accounts to the tool itself. So after you connect these, you will then be getting the results that you are searching for in terms of competitors, analyzation of your social media presence, and other other mentioned benefits right here. So your strategies and all of that. So we will not be, or sadly, yes, we will not be able to utilize this tool for now, because it will require us to, as I've mentioned, it would require us to connect to our social media accounts. So, but this tool is very simple. You only need to connect it to your social media accounts for it to analyze it and give you all the results that you need. So, if you want to try this for yourself, if you can try it for free, definitely. Just sign up for a free trial account here in SEMRUSH, and you'd be able to utilize this tool to check your social media stats. And yep, that's it for the social media dashboard. I hope you found this kind of review, kind of tutorial helpful, and we will be going through all of the other social media tools under the social media category. So we are hoping that you can join us as well there.